Our bodies work hard every day. They process the food we eat and the air we breathe. Sometimes our bodies need a little help to get rid of toxins. A green detox smoothie is a delicious way to support your body's natural cleansing process. Green smoothies are packed with fruits and vegetables full of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. These nutrients help our bodies function at their best. When we feel our best, we have more energy to work, play and enjoy life. This smoothie is easy to make and even easier to drink. Let's gather our ingredients and start blending our way to a healthier us. This green detox smoothie uses simple, natural ingredients. Each ingredient plays a special role in helping our bodies detoxify. Here's what you'll need. Spinach, a leafy green vegetable packed with vitamins and minerals. Kale, another leafy green known for its detoxifying properties. Cucumber, a refreshing vegetable that helps with hydration. Green apple, a good source of fiber which aids digestion. Lemon juice helps to flush out toxins. Ginger aids digestion and can soothe an upset stomach. We'll learn more about the benefits of each ingredient as we prepare them. Spinach is a true superhero of the vegetable world. It's packed with vitamins A, C and K. Spinach also contains antioxidants that help protect our cells from damage. When washing spinach, be sure to rinse each leaf carefully. You can use a salad spinner to remove excess water. Once washed, roughly chop the spinach to prepare it for blending. Section 4. Kale, a nutritional giant. Like spinach, kale is a nutritional powerhouse. It's full of vitamins, minerals and fiber. Kale is especially rich in vitamins C and K. Kale can be a bit tough, so it's best to remove the tough stems before blending. After removing the stems, give the kale leaves a good wash, just like the spinach. Once they're clean, roughly chop them for the smoothie. Section 5. Cucumber and apple. Refreshing detoxifiers. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating. They're a good source of electrolytes which we can lose through sweating. Wash the cucumber well before slicing it. Green apples are a tasty source of fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. Wash the apple before cutting it into smaller pieces. You can keep the peel on both the cucumber and apple for added nutrients. Section 6. Lemon, ginger and the power of blending. Lemon juice adds a refreshing, citrusy flavor to the smoothie. It also aids in detoxification. Cut the lemon and squeeze its juice into the blender. Ginger is known for its digestive benefits. A small piece of ginger is enough to add a nice zing to your smoothie. Peel the ginger and chop it before adding it to the blender. Now, blend all the ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth. Add water gradually for desired consistency. Once blended, pour your green detox smoothie into a glass and enjoy.